Why do we need to mulch? Oh, let me count the ways for you. There's a couple of different reasons why you need to mulch, right? Here's the number one reason. It helps to suppress weeds. Weeds need sunlight to grow, to germinate. So by mulching, you actually restrict the sunlight. It can't get down to the soil surface. Therefore, you don't have to worry so much about weeds. Second reason, conserve moisture. You want to retain the moisture in the soil. Retaining moisture means you don't have to water as frequently. Third reason why, how about this? We want to protect the roots from extreme weather conditions. Fourth reason why you want to mulch, look, if it's organic mulches, it can be tilled into the soil, used by those soil microbes. It'll make your garden soil that much better, that much richer as you prepare your ornamental beds or your vegetable garden. Here's what I don't want you to do. Don't volcano mulch though. All right, we don't want you to pile the mulch up against your trees, against your large shrubs, or against your annual or perennial plants. So if you do all of those practices, mulch will really help you out.